Do you know why you're here?
Oh, I think you do. I really fucking think you do. Where is it? Oh, right.
What the fuck, man?
Habla cabron.
Fuck you.
No, fuck you. Where's the fucking money?
I don't have it anymore.
Well, I certainly don't have it. So logically, that would mean that someone else has it. And considering you're the only other person in on the job, it's got to be you, fucker. Where's my money?
I don't know.
Where did it go?
I don't know. I hid it where we decided we would. But when I went to get it, it wasn't there.
I'm sure. And then some mysterious person came along and said, oh look, here's a fuckload of cash. Maybe I should take it.
No fucking way.
It's what happened.
Well, I don't believe you. I think you know exactly where it is. I've come up with a few choice ways of getting you to tell me. I'm quite looking forward to trying them out.
What the hell was that, Javier? Please don't do this.
¿Dónde está el puta dinero, hijo de mierda?
Luckily, I planned for this eventuality.
What did he do? Get off me! Get off me, you fucking cunt!
Your boyfriend tried to fuck me. Emphasis on the tried.
No! Javier, you don't have to get down to this.
You're right. You're the man in charge. You can end it all now. Where's my money? Do you know? What's that you say? Speak up!
No! Don't! Fine. I'll tell you.
Taj. Your girlfriend here has been very useful. For this she will be spared.
But you miserable fuck. You're not gonna get any of the money yourself. Poor bugger. You do get a consolation prize.
Thanks for playing.